Hey guys, so I'm here on the boat. Well, I'm at the dock anyway. And I am completely in love with the idea of selling everything and moving what small important items we have onto the boat and going down to Florida or down to Panama and up to California. We already try to live a minimalistic lifestyle. We don't have clutter, we don't have junk. We have few plates, a few cups, few silverware. We have no plastic jars, no plastic cups. We don't do plastic. I have a bunch of glass jars that I use. And those will be coming with for my oils and such. But I mean, how great would that be to pack up your most prized items, which include crystals and camera equipment for me, and oils and herbs, and go and travel. I mean, we've traveled before, but not on the boat. We've traveled to California a couple times. We traveled to Chicago. We traveled to New York. We traveled all around Florida. So we've kind of been a few places. I've been to Europe. I've been to Hawaii. Brett's been to Costa Rica. So, and it's how we want to raise Maverick anyway. I don't mind raising Maverick on a boat. We are close as a family, so we don't get on each other's nerves. Hold on, baby. Mama's finishing the video, okay? Okay, I'll give you some. Hold on. So, yeah, completely in love with the idea. So ready to do it. Sell everything and go. And if we didn't have a boat, I'd want to get a bus and or a van and just travel. That's school. That's what learning about life is. And Brett is a genius. He can do anything, and he's creative, and I'm creative, and I'm a writer. So I think that I suck at math, but Brett is fabulous at it. He went to school for, he's an engineer, so that's what he went to school for. So he's closing the boat up right now because we're about to go. But yeah, so I want to sell it all and go, just go. So we'll see what happens. But anyways, I have lots of love and light in my heart right now, and I feel very, very uplifted. We went to the beach and just grounded in the sand and the water. You're okay. We're about to go. I love you. So anyway, but yeah, this is the boat dock. So, alright guys, well, we are about to head out. I feel good. Actually, I feel kind of sick, but my body feels light. So, but yeah, so bye guys.